Okay, so I'm out here in a small land of woods, not very big area. It's very wet outside. Can't express how wet it is, but it's pretty wet. The ground underneath isn't quite mud, but it's moist. Been raining pretty intensively last night. It's kind of started to slow down. Here's a creek. Fortunately, you can't see no raindrops, but it is nice and wet. I managed to collect some yucca. I tried to collect some yucca leaves. They didn't seem like they're gonna work out too well. So what I did was I don't know if the wood's even gonna work out. So I got me some yucca wood. And as you can see, it looks pretty old. 2 pieces of yucca I got. Here's the yucca leaves. And when you try to grind them up, it's what they look like. So the best thing I found is these fallen pine needles that fall into the trees are probably the driest thing you're gonna find. The wind's always blowing through here. These aren't really absorbing too much water. They're pretty thin in diameter. I'm gonna collect some of those and show you what that looks like here in a second. Alright, so if I can get a coal, I'm gonna have to be very careful to get it over here. So sit on this, put our knee on the stick, hold it in place real good. Haha, bitch. We got a fucking coal. On our 4th try, we got a coal. Well, looks like I still got it. We're not out of the doghouse yet, guys. Matter of fact, coal went out. Here you go. This is the yuccas that I use to produce fire. The flower stalks have already been cut off, but as you can see, there are some flower stalks that can provide the powers to make coals. So it may not be very big. I may be out of training, but pretty simple. And yep, I'm in the middle of town. There's outskirts of the town where I go to try this out. And gets your hand a little bit. So there we go.